So, hello, Testo 34, Test. Hello, Testo 34. Oh, that looks good. So we're waiting for people to join. The people already here, just say hello in the chat. Well, I hope the quality is good. Saying hello, everyone. So we wait for more people to come in. I think there were people also accepting on the Google invite link. If there are some... Hey, David, how are you doing? Can you let me know how the quality is? Is everything readable? I mean, even the TradingView chart and so on. Is it clearly? I mean, I put it the highest resolution and I have a quite bad internet at home, so... Thanks. If you like, you can also join the Google link. Yeah, I posted in the Discord. You just need to go to events on Discord. If you have questions or we want to talk about settings or strategies from your side, or you just feel free to join. You don't need to share your camera because mainly I have the trading view on the front. Great to hear. Nice. The music is not that loud. So everything is great. Sound quality, video, I think it should be good because also I recently bought a nice new mic. Let's check if some people here come in. Okay, 10 minutes, no problem. Take your time. We have enough time. So we have 2 hours today. And I made a little list what we talk about today. Maybe I will give a small overview. Yeah, today I will firstly give an updates about the Smart Profit Hunter, what's new. I recently have made a video, and in the video I explained about the new possibility of this RSI sell possibilities, yeah, that you can use three different RSI indicators at the same time only for sell. I will show it again step by step. We'll show what makes a difference in terms of profit. Yeah. We can also try it on different coins and seeing what is the difference in the profits, yeah, and which settings maybe we can improve, try out some. After that, I think we will talk about 2 more additional news from this Profit Hunter. Then I wanted to share with some people like best trading strategies. Yeah, I have some settings in mind I want to share with you. Maybe if you guys or the other people are coming from my channel also want to share some settings and how to improve them, or in general what kind of settings I'm using currently, we can talk about and share our best settings for all the market conditions. Yeah, so this would be the plan for today. Then later I have an also new update because I recently had the idea to create a grid bot. Yeah, so you can, with this strategy backtester, you can also set up your grid bot actually. And I want to try out something which is really, really new. I have never done before. Yeah, because on the grid bot you have just like different steps. Yeah, fixing percentage between. And the DCA strategy, you have like the step scale, so you adjust the scales between the grids. And I want to set up like one strategy here, I found out, which is really, really nice, and made it like, let it start on Bybit with a leverage and start a copy bot. So everyone who also want to try it out with the exact settings I've made, you can just follow my copy bot. But you can also set up by yourself as you want. So yeah, this is a nice strategy for grid bots. I found out just quite easy, simple, but only for Bitcoin mainly, because Bitcoin is not that volatile as others. And when we in addition take a leverage, we just need to be sure, yeah, we're not getting liquidated. So yeah, and then maybe at the end, when some people come in, we can also discuss questions. So what people kind of have questions currently to their strategies. Last round we had 1 week ago was quite nice because we yeah, solved some problems, talked about different strategy settings, and yeah, we will keep that in mind, and let's see what questions we have. There's always something. Yeah. Okay, so therefore we just wait a bit more. Yeah, I will already set up maybe an example strategy we usually like to use. So and I will start like introducing this RSI again, like the one where we sell with more conditions than one. So basically when we start, the base order size, safety order size 1010 we use usually, yeah, and we use this long-term settings. And then we like to use now our Munich-Ai RSI signal. So this is for everyone who doesn't know what it is, like an RSI indicator combines 3 RSI signals in the same time. So you can see if I choose different RSI lengths here, you will see we have 3 lines at different colors. Yeah? So, and I have the possibility to generate like 3 signals. I take them all for sell, and then I say I start with 50, 60, 70, which means, okay, but we need the down. Let's check down, down, down. So what does this mean in general? It means if we are on an uptrend, yeah, let me close this. Hey, how are you? Hey, Ed. How are you doing? Nice to see you. I was just explaining like the new function with the RSI signal. Yeah. So therefore now we have one line here with the RSI, and we have the possibility to on every crossing down in the different levels, we're taking the profits. So therefore, if we're not reaching the RSI signal above the 70, which is not that often usual, only on big pushes, then maybe let's check for a signal like that where we not reach it, for example here. Maybe we starting a deal here, and we're crossing down here on the 60 level, instead of 70. Then we will scalp, and just use this little scalp trade. So how does it look? I've set it up the 3 signals, RSI signals on this indicator, length 14, 14, 14, always using crossing down. Stay in the call. And always crossing down, because the RSI, once it's going up, yeah, and then crossing down, it could indicate that we are going down, yeah, but this is for scalping. Then as long as we're going more up, we stay in the trade, and otherwise we making a profit. So, and how does it look on the Smart DCA Profit Hunter? Let me just switch the settings here because we need more trades. Yeah? So I'm setting up like a strategy with more trades and more power to go crossing down, making more trades. Okay, that's correct. So, and now we set it up to 1.5. We need a more volatile coin because Bitcoin, yeah, is really slow. So let's take the Swift coin as usual. And now in the standard settings, we would use like the 1.5 take profit, so which is fixed take profit. So always we make a trade, safety, safety, safety. And here we reach the upper line from the green zone, which is a finish take profit. Let me show you. This is 1.5%. So click here, 1.5. We make it finish trade. Yeah, and this we want to take an advantage of a higher upwards way. So therefore, I've set it up, as I said, this RSI indicator to get more profits, and to put it in the Profit Hunter, we just open the Profit Hunter. Here at the beginning, these are the standard DCA settings I was just explaining, and then we just go to sell options. Yeah, here is sell options. Everything here is just for the sell indication and the options. So therefore, we choose sell indicator, and we want at least 1.5 profit. So, and now we need to use yes, 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 because we are having 3 signals from the RSI, which is like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and we want always either this, or either this. Yeah, and this is the same we're telling in the Profit Hunter. We just say first signal, second signal, third signal, and then not and. Yeah, because now it's loading and it says, oh, there's an error, no deal finish. Yeah, that's normal because we said and. We want or. So either. Then we choose either, and then you will say, boom, we're getting like all these trades finished above 1.5 minimum. And then you see here, this is a really good example because we're going up over 1.5 and a bit more, but we can get directly like an 70 crossing down signal and we take profit. Yeah, so this is a little scalp trade we used. Otherwise, if we would use, I don't know, 75 or something only, then we would stay in the trade for longer. But always they take these little uptrends, and as soon as there's like a big push up, let me show a good example, as I explained last time as well. So maybe here's a really good example. Oh, here we have a base order, yeah, and it's going up. And you see here the RSI line is going really, really crazy above the 70. So the 70 is a green marked line here. And we had the first crossing down here on this upper level. And instead of the 1.5% take profit, which would be like here, we go all the way up with this indicator and choose to close at 13.7%, which is really, really cool. So therefore, this RSI indicator is really, really useful if you want to get out, want to get all the best performance of all the push-ups from the coins. And at least when we're not reaching like this 70 up, for example, here's another nice one trade. We closed even with 18 safety orders. Here would be the 1.5, and then we're taking the 6.9. Yeah, but once we only reach, for example, like the 60 level of the RSI, not getting as high as the 70 here, only the 60, so one line above, then we even close here higher than usually like the 1.5. So this is like, I don't know, 3, 4 roughly. So yeah, and if we have only chosen the 70, for example, which was the standard settings I had before, then we would never close a trade here, because we reached 1.5, but here we get not higher than the 70, only like 60 or 50. So therefore, this is a really nice way to getting the most out of the trades. So choosing the sell indicator. If you guys just have questions, let me know. You can also join the Google, the Google meeting link. We can talk about. We can also talk about your strategies and settings. Just let me know. And the link is in the Discord group on the event. So please feel free to come in and join. Have a new drink. So yeah, this is the new function for the sell indicator, which I really do like. And also I explained already, when we use this, we use the RSI indicator here from the Munich-Ai, and we use all the 3 signals of it. But this is only for the sell. If we also want to have the base order and the safety order entrances with the RSI, and we use this already, this is absolutely no problem, because on TradingView you can just load it again. It's really easy. So you go here, you go to the RSI, you click again, and then you get it another time. So here you can now choose like a normal way for the base order, let's say, and safety order like this, crossing up. And then we go inside the Profit Hunter and say, okay, base order, we choose an indicator. Yes, only one. And then we have chosen this first ones here, and now we're getting the other one. So this listed are the first one, I guess. Let me check, because it started the one below this, but it should be correct. So now we're starting, now we're starting the base order on the RSI 30 below. So this is like this. So here, look at this really nice trade here. Wow, nice. So we have 1.5% and we go all the way up to 7%. Nice. And for the safety order, we choose the second one, and therefore also go to the safety orders, change from percentage to external indicator, say yes, and here we do choosing the second one, because in the indicator here we choose the second one for the RSI. So therefore, look at these trades. Nice. You're always getting the maximum out of the scalp trades. Not so often the signals, because we use the 14 lower. And for example, like here, it's also pretty nice. But of course, this is like a strategy I wouldn't use not now, because not much trades, and the strategy is here made for more trades at the same time. So this is a nice example. Okay. Here's only one base order. On this strategy, I would probably leave out the base order and the safety order. So put it as soon as possible back, and just keeping the RSI cell inside. So this would be, for example, like here. Okay. So, any questions so far? Or anything I should explain or show to you guys? I want some music in between. So maybe then, so what I also changed in this version from the new version, because I got some recommendations that in this backgrounds graphic, like this ones where you do see where the next level is for the safety orders. This one wasn't working well for the indicator version, so this is something we improved. So we went to external indicators, and now this is working correctly, but before we had some graphic issues and the performance wasn't that well, and No, I don't think this can be work on 3-commas. I don't think so. I can quickly check. Deal condition. Take profit. Why can I not click here? Automatically minimum profit. Conditions. Okay, maybe it's the one. I go in another strategy. Let me check by starting a new bot. E-commerce is really slow right now. Starting a new bot, TCA. Okay. So you can actually add more conditions at the same time for RSI. So you could put like 14 as we had it, 14, 14, and then 15, 15, 15. Yeah. And here as well. And then you say crossing down, crossing down, crossing down. But 50, 60 as we use it. But the problem here is I'm not seeing an option because here it says add condition works on the end condition. Yeah. So this means in my Profit Hunter, if you want to sell either the 60, 70 or 50, we use the OR condition. Yeah. So that the strategy is choosing once one of these firstly is triggering above 1.5%, then one of these, yeah, making the sell. And on 3-commas, you have the problem, it's only allowing the end condition. And when I switch on my strategy, like the end condition, like instead of OR, then we're not getting any sell because both, all the three signals are too far from each other to trigger at the same time. So I don't know why 3-commas is using like AND. It's probably like a performance thingy. I'm not really sure. Hey, Crypto Winner, how are you? You're new to our community? Are you in our Discord or you just found the stream? Nice to meet you. Welcome. If you have any questions, let us know. We're just talking about strategy options from our Smart Profit Hunter. Welcome. So on 3-commas, this is not possible. Or I'm not seeing anything here that you can choose to AND, to OR, because it's only AND here. Yeah, they should change it. But I think it's a performance issue. Yeah, because the 3 needs to be true at the same time. No way, I think. So therefore, you need to use like the end condition. Hey Derek, how are you? Nice to meet you. Which broker are you trading with on TradingView? I'm using Bybit. Yeah. So my opinion, Bybit is the easiest and the best. Yeah. So yeah, I never stay on Bybit because it still allows me to trade leverage. So that's a big problem for me. I cannot use leverage usually because in Germany it's not allowed, but on Bybit it's possible. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys have questions, just write it down, join the Google invite. So I will also put it on the, can I share it here, the link? I've shared somewhere. Person add. Let me quickly put the link in the in the session. Oh no, I need to go to my calendar. So here's a session and invite via link, copy, tack, tack. And now, well, now I need to go to YouTube. Yeah, thank you. Perfect, thank you. Back to the Parlow ID. Yeah, I probably also will use it once I have more problems. But for now it's fine, so it's working. I bet as soon as I want to withdraw my first 1 million funds, then I do need it. Which is not yet the case, actually. Hopefully soon. So if you have questions, feel free to join. There's a link inside where you can directly come in too. You can share your screen. If you have questions, we can answer. So maybe if you not have other questions right now, I would keep forward because recently also to one guy from Discord, I got an idea because he was using a Gridbot. I was announcing at the beginning. I would also like to start a Gridbot. But what I do not like is I tried once copy trading. And yeah, you cannot influence the settings. The problem with copy trading on Bybit is you will see, for example, there was a Gridbot what was using BTC and 50x leverage, which is quite high. Yeah. So for me, then the question, if I use leverage, of course, we always use like this calculator to know where the liquidation levels is, where the liquidation levels are. And this was just showing the minimum invest. And when I calculated the grids, yeah, with the downfalls, it shows that you really, really fast get liquidated with the minimum amount they recommended. So it's the same on 3Commas. Yeah, they also only recommend you what you need minimum, but they're not showing you, okay, it has, let's say 43 grids going down, I don't know, 40%. I think the lowest price was where they were buying the last grid. It was 35 Bitcoin on 35 somewhere. Here I put it like in the mark in it. So which is like minus 44%. So grids is like, Gridbot is like, there's a fixed percentage steps. Always you're buying the same amount, but, and when it's going up, you take 1% profit, for example. Yeah? And then you start again directly. It's like an endless bot like we use, but you can easily set it up here as well, but without step scale, so the distance between the grids are not getting bigger. Yeah, so therefore I was wondering, okay, they tell me on copy trading I use minimum invest of, what was it, 76, no 76, and when I use it and I get liquidated, I don't know, after here, or it was a recent drop down, so only on 1620 or something, minus 20%. So, and this was really pissing me off because it says minimum invest. And of course, the idea behind copy trading, yeah, it's doing good for long times and you see only profits in the overview. Yeah. And they never show how many open trades you have a minus and so on. And you always think like the people which are on top are the best and they're making how many profits, I don't know. But this was really annoying, and now I had the idea maybe we can set up an own Gridbot with our Profit Hunter. Just checking the chat. Hello, Stefan. Great. Nice to have you. Hello. Okay. Let me know if the music is too loud. I will put the volume a bit lower. So yeah, then I got the idea. Maybe I should set up an own Gridbot, or like the settings on the Profit Hunter like a Gridbot. So let's say we want to cover 33% or 40%, because in my opinion, it's really, really unusual that we do see like 40%, which is like here, we've never seen. But what if we set up a strategy which always uses the same amount? Yeah. the advantage is if we use the same amount, like the volume does not scale, so always the same amount, we can even use this Profit Hunter connect directly to Bybit, to Binance. We don't need 3 commas. It's always trading, yeah, making your trades. And then also take into advantage of the sell indicator, so taking out the maximum. So then I wanted to set up, let's say we have maximum trades count 40 because we want to cover 40% and a price deviation, which is like the percentage between the grids or between the steps, which is like 1%, let's say. So, and then we set up this. So, and if we want to use, let's say 50x leverage, we keep it on 1 and multiply result by 50 for now. I just do this. Yeah. So base order 1, 1, 1, 40%. So now we can cover 30% downfall. Take profit. For the Bitcoin, I mean, it's not that volatile, but I want to at least take 4% profit. So I take minimum 4%. So we have using sell indicators and using like the indicators I was just explaining before. Base order as soon as possible because it's always trading. Safety order condition percentage, so no external indicator for safety. So therefore we just use like this, starting it. Okay, this is a daily chart. We now go downwards to the 15 minutes, for example. And now what do we see? Okay. How many trades do I have? It's 1. Okay, let's put it here on 10 because then I get a good feeling about the required capital. So for a standard strategy right now, which would be required capital 410 minimum because 10, yeah. And when we take into account like a 50x leverage, the profit is like 20%, which is quite good for Bitcoin, I would say, because Bitcoin is not that volatile. And now we are using like the sell indicator. So let me check the settings: 14, 50, 60, 70, always crossing down, just double check. And yeah, this is basically then our grid bot. You will see it's always like once we losing or going down 1%, then it's buying its steps. Yeah, 10 here until 10 safety orders, 13, 19. So we have in total 14. So therefore you can see from here to here, it's like 20% or 19. And then it goes up. And it's not only taking the 4%, it's taking a bit more. And it even, what I really, really like, we do see here, we have the 4% and we take out a little bit more, like the maximum from the scalp, because we're having like the sell indicator 50, 60, 70. So therefore, until here, we sell and then directly step into a new trade, and taking the next profits and the next base order and so on. And now, when we want to use it as a leverage, the guys who are longer in our channel, they know what to do is now, because we need to calculate this. We need to calculate this grid bot. So therefore, let's say if I put in first 1 base order, 1 safety order size from the USD and then USDT, and then we want to use 50x leverage. So the minimum is a 50-50. Because when we set it up, we also want to compound later, and then we start with the lowest amount for everybody for the invest possibility. Here, max safety trades counts, which were like the 40, because we're having 40 times like the safety orders we buying. So when I even check here and I made full screen, we never used we never used like the maximum was max safety orders used 27. So Bitcoin has not seen from the we have a finished trade and a base order. And we have not seen more drop down than 27% in this case, which is quite nice. So therefore, but we keep the longer, we keep the safe 40 trades. I wouldn't make 30 or 35 just to be sure, because it's leverage. So and now 50-50, 40, as we said. And for the leverage, we set up the 50, which is here. Wow, required capital. Okay, we're not done yet. So safety order volume scale 1, safety order step scale, dot price deviation. Okay, so is this the correct settings? quickly, I will just double check, because this calculator is sometimes trolling. Yeah, when you start it for the first time, you need to first make a calculation in where you know if it's correct. There, it's not correct. So I know that this settings needs 248. So if I click a couple of times this coin, this is really annoying on this strategy and this website. I'm currently also implementing it as an indicator. So now I know this is the exact value for this settings I need. So now I know these are the correct settings. Yeah. So when this you have here with the settings. Okay, now we can put in the settings again. 50-50 and here 40 and leverage 50 and here price deviation 1, 1, 1. So okay. Is correct. 1, 1, 50, 40. Because 40% downfall. So you need at least 518 to start a bot on Bitcoin, which is a grid bot, which is really, really safe, because I'm pretty sure we are not seeing a downfall of 40%. Yeah? And it always, like, even it uses 1, 2, 3 base orders using a 50x leverage. So this is like one option. And I really like the idea. It came into my mind, okay, why not setting up a grid bot for as a normal 3-comma bot, or a normal 3-comma bot is not possible because we cannot take advantage of the sell indicator. Yeah. If you want to live without, you can do it, but otherwise you need this profit hunter. So yeah, and therefore I'm seriously thinking about to set up the strategy. I will put it on a different sub account on Bybit, because it's a quite high risk of leverage. And this is always cross. Yeah, this is not isolated. This is always cross. If you use this calculator and it shows you the max amount for the spot usually is 41. This is always also what 3-commas will tell you you need. But you will see if I put 41 in my balance account. So 3-commas tells you need 41 to set up the spot. Yeah, which is true to start it. Yes, but once it's dropping down, even with the 50 leverage, yeah, and you use 41, you will see, okay, after 11%, I'm out. I get liquidated. Yeah, so that's trash. So with this calculator, I always say use this calculator, because then you really know what you have on collateral to cover this drop down. So yeah, 519. And if you have 519 on your wallet, check out. Yeah, then it's okay. So. And also for grid bots, I know what sometimes, of course, you can set up. You can set up a trailing on the grid bot, which means a grid bot is always used like the one I saw, which was used in a way of 70,000, 1.5 here between 100K. Yeah. And once there's a case, it's going up above 100K, let's say, which is unusual, of course, then it will trailing up. So the lower grid, the lower border, when the last safety order would been bought, is going up as well. So like, and this is, of course, the same case with our bots, with the DCA bots. It's then also trailing up and also trailing down if we sell. So yeah, that's a quite nice strategy. I will most probably start on my Bybit account, and I will put it in a copy trading bot. I have already a copy trading account. So once you go on Bybit and copy trading and search after Munich-Ai, you will find my account, but I have no bots yet. I'm also trying to because I heard that's possibly and new that I can share all my bots, even if they're using TradingView strategies and so on, and you can follow them on Bybit as a copy trading bots. So that means you don't need to set up anything or something. You can just follow my bots, invest, and then it's using the same settings as I set it up there. Yeah. Also, when the market changes and I change something on my bots, then it's directly following and using the same settings. Campari Orange. Yeah. So this is my new project for my new bot. I will set up in the short term, maybe the next days. Let's see. I'm really, really curious because I tried out this copy trading bot and I copied it for a couple of days. And of course, when you use a 50x leverage, it's crazy. Then it directly made, I don't know, with one base order, with one grid or two grids, two trades, I don't know, a couple of dollars, like $5 or $6. So yeah, therefore I'm really curious how it's performing. You know, we have in German a law that it's against something. When you not pay, you're not allowed to play paid music in a live stream. So then probably afterwards they will block the stream on YouTube. But I have a playlist, which means all the music in it is free to use. But this song is quite famous. I can't imagine that it's not Intro X. It's quite famous. That it's not for free. That's for free. Doesn't matter. Maybe I choose a different playlist. Otherwise, the stream cannot be watched after that. Okay. So now that was my part for the grid bot. Yeah, tomato juice. Yeah, I'm just saying that it's Campari Orange. Who's drinking tomato juice actually? If you're not in the plane, in the airplane. So what else you want to discuss about? Do you need some support for the people? Please, you can join on the Google. Yeah. You also don't need to show your webcam. No problem. You can just share the sound if you like. If you have questions, now's the time where I can help you to change something, set up something, go through settings. Of course, possible. So maybe we can also go through another indicator, which is also part of the Elite Traders Club, which I currently using for some manual trades, which is like called the high precision signals. So Munich-Ai Stealth Trader. This is like a strategy which gives you like entrances and take profit ranges, where you can set them up with, for example, a smart profit on 3 commas. So once you have the free version, the pro version, sorry, of 3 commas, I can show you how it's working. Oh no, I don't hope I need to register again. Oh fuck. Oh no, I know. Okay, let's go into smart trades. Because smart trades is like a way where you can manually trade. Yeah. So you can say, I will quickly show you how I work with this in the same time. So once you open like this high precision signal, so all who are part of the Munich-Ai Elite Traders Club, they will get the signals also for free. Yeah. And then you get, as I said, entrances and take profit ranges. So let's, for example, say, we're using Bitcoin. It looks already quite good. Or maybe some other volatile coin. I don't know, Venry or something. And we have like this, I don't mind. Let's say Bitcoin, because it's a good example. And we're having like this 2 EMAs. So there's an EMA, there's another EMA. This is 100 and 200. And this indicates like when it's crossing, you see it like before, when it's crossing a down way, like a bearish short part. And in this one, you can take advantage of this indicator and take some short trades, for example. Once it's crossing, then you should keep your eyes on. You can also, if you want to trade this coin, let's say if you want to trade Bitcoin, you set an alarm and then you say open short. If you want to trade shorts. Right now, I rather prefer long, but just as an example. And then you say 1 time per close, which is always, this is only 1 time. And then you create it. And then you'll get an email, an alert when this signal here appears. And this means, okay, you can open a short trade. So, and then if you have the, let's say, smart trade of 3 commas, you go to BTC, say, for example, BTC, USDT, trading pair BTC. Oh, the market is BTC, sorry. You go to USDT and then you go to BTC, USDT. No, Binance, spot. Oh, there's a filter for FED. Why? So BTC, here it is. Okay, and just imagine we are like getting the signal because I'm closing. I'm keeping it open because it's really nice to set up everything. So and then we go to the 15 minutes and we say, okay, for now I want to step into a trade because we get the signal here. Then I step into a trade. I choose the amount, the size, let's say, I don't know, 100 USDT right now. And then I create a trade. Sorry, I set take profit first and I set stop loss. And then if I go like this, and you see here, okay, when we buy, this is the line we're buying right now. This is perfect because we want to step into the trade right now because we got the signal. And then I manually set my stop loss. You can type it in here or you can just move it on the chart, which is really, really nice. And normally you use like the last lower swing. So this would be here, for example, or I take a little bit more because this is always the same. We can get like one peak above. So and now, and when we want to set the take profit, let's see, we're taking it. I like to take it like on the last upper way. And then I say, okay, I will split targets. This means from the whole take profit we have, we split it. Like, for example, let's say 50%. Once we hit the first target profit, so then it asks you for the volume. 50%. So from the take profit, the 50%. And then we add another take profit. And this is the same one. You can also choose here. It says TP2. And now you say, okay, let's see what was the last price, 67. I don't know. Well, we need to go out a bit more because 15 minutes is a bit too less. Let's say 1 hour. Okay, this is good. So now you see, okay, what could be like the probably next step? It's like, let's say 70, the next target profit. And then the nice thing is when you get the signal, you say, okay, the next add target. Now we have this fixed. So under the last swing low, the stop loss. And then once we need to first take profit, we have the other one on take profit 2. And then we say move to break even, which means once we hit it, the first target profit here, we will set the stop loss on our entrance price. And therefore we will not sell in minus anymore. So we only need to hit the first target profit and then the stop loss will be set to our entrance. And this is really, really nice function automatically. So this you activate, okay. And that's it. And then you say create a trade. And then it's doing everything automatically. Confirm. It's a demo account, so no worry. So now it created the trade here, Bitcoin, and everything is set it up automatically. So we have like a take profit first. No, here's the take profit, the first one. There's the next one. It's much, I think hard to read for you, but and everything goes automatically from here. And what you also can do now, this is like how to can enter a trade via 3 commas. Of course, you can also trade automatically, like with the leverage then. And when you get this signal, you can also set up like an alert, go to alerts, and then you say, okay, take profit short. And then always when there is an X, there's a take profit. And what you can also do is when you trade manually and you hit it the first target profit, you get the signal. When you get this first signal, then you can say even, do it manually, also on your exchange directly, or when you trade on your only Binance, without 3 commas, you can say, okay, I'm now taking 50% profits because with the 10x, when I stepped in here, I made like 20%, 2.7 or 27%, which is quite nice. Yeah, and then I take 50% of my profits and move manually the stop loss to the entrance price, which was here, and then I wait when it's still like both of the EMAs far from each other. Then I wait. There's a new signal. Oh, okay. Then I wait for the next take profit. Yeah, and then we are still here. You can even still keep staying in the trade. Yeah, but you see it's going up, and the entrance is here. You're not still there. You still wait. So for the next one, then you take profit. So you have a lot of possibilities. Most of you probably go out here. So we have already 20%, which is really, really nice. So yeah, but it's one example how to use it. It gives us nice ideas of entering a trade. And the thing is, as you can see here, a long signal will only take place once we are above or the EMA, what is it, the green one, 100 or something, yeah, but only when the candles are above this both EMAs. Yeah. So, and then you see here another long entrance, and you here take a profit. So, and sometimes there are no signals anymore because they're not so safe, as we say. So, but it's a nice indicator for manually trading. You can also use it as a entrance signal for your manual trades or for your DCA trades. And for the ones who are watching here, it's all included in the Elite Traders Club. So here in the Elite Traders Club, it's like one fee per month you pay. You get an also additional session together with me, one-on-one, help you to set up everything. And you have like this Smart DCA Profit Hunter, the DCI thingy, like another old backtester, but you don't need it anymore because Profit Hunter's all in one. Some templates, strategies, we sharing always, like the other indicators. And now I can also give some other ideas what's also included. So currently, as we discussed with the future grid bots, we had this calculator I was showing. And I'm currently working on an indicator which working the same way as this calculator, but it's not finished yet. But I can show you like the current status, which is still in develop, I would say, in development. So you go to the settings, you set up your base order, safety order, volume scale, and everything you know. Then you can also add an additional percentage to stay longer, not liquidated. And then it will tell you what do you need in your wallet, where's your liquidation level, for example, here, how many percentage. But it's still not free for the users. I still need to work on it because there's some bugs. And I was more focusing on the Smart DCA Profit Hunter right now. Beside a lot of other indicators, what else do we have? Maybe one thing I haven't shown any one of you yet. I have also worked on a strategy which is called Munich-Ai MACD MasterGuard Pro. This is like in total a strategy. It looks a bit weird because we need to, let me remove some thingies here. Long profit, short, main. Yeah, like that. This is like a strategy, which is like from different indicators. You choose different settings from different indicators, and RSI, MACD, squeeze momentum, and entrances and exits. Also based on a risk-reward ratio of your total capital, so how many percentage you want to use. And the nice thing on this is it is not working like a DCA strategy or anything. It's always taking the same amount. Yeah? So therefore, you can connect it directly to your Bybit, Binance, and so on, which is really, really nice. Because it gets sometimes really cool and nice trades like here, yeah, long, short, exit long. But what I do is like when I have a specific coin, then I play with the settings. I choose something, and when I check how does my profit increases, and then I go through the whole list here. And then for some volatile coins, I even made to realize, I don't know, what was it, 500, 600%. So you need to find the specific settings for each coin based on the volatility and so on. But once you found them and you have really nice coins which making like really good profits, then I don't have settings right now because I've not used it for long anymore. But once you have it, then you can let it run on your Bybit account and just make profit. And it also uses stop loss. So of course there will be trades which were not successfully, but I've used it of course for CKB, and it was doing really, really well. Yeah, also when I connected it directly to Bybit. So for people who are interested, just let me know. It is still inclusive in the Elite Traders Club. I just need to set it free because I was still working on it. But yeah, as you can see here, you need also to activate the edge mode. Then you can do longs and shorts. And the really nice thing is you can use it in all market conditions. So you set it up and then long, short, doesn't matter which market it is. It always, just based on the volatility and the direction from different settings. So yeah, you can see here doing shorts even in the bull market and here longs. So yeah. So anything else? So is there any questions so far also in terms of DCA strategies? Because I know we have some people who wanted to set up different settings. For example, Ayat, if you like, also if you want, we can set up together your strategy. Can I book a private session today at 10 p.m.? I don't think so. It's a bit too late, probably. Let's see. Maybe spontaneous. So I will check my list. What else we have to discuss or talk about? But Stefan, you just need to go to my website, book, and pay in advance, and then 10 p.m. is possible. Yes, tomorrow evening I have already 2 meetings from 8 to 10. And during the day I'm not at home. But it should probably go really, really fast, so should be no problem. Let's see if we can make it somehow before or I think the difference in the settings are not that big, so let me quickly switch over. So you wanted a strategy which is faster closing, I think, right? Faster in terms of, or do you wanted to set it up an additional coin, right? So basically, you can also set up by yourself if you like. So I will just slowly go through here. Here we have a 10x leverage. I use 12-12. Take profit the RSI 14. You can set it up here like this, and then we have the safety order also 12, the price deviation 2, safety trades count 30, volume scale 1.05, step scale 1, and that's it. And you need in total, oh shit, I've closed it. Just a second, the calculator. I think 320 or something. Oh, I hate this calculator. So 1.87, 1.4, 1.5, 10, 10, 7. As you know, we need here the 248 5.353. That's so annoying. Now it works. Okay, as I said, we have 12 here, 12 here, we have here 30, we have here 10, I think, and here 2. Volume scale 1.05, step scale 1. Yeah, you need 334, yeah, for this coin. Yeah. And this would be on the Hunter 32, 1.05, and then we use only one indicator, 1.5, and change that one to 70, crossing down. And it was the WIF coin I'm using. Yeah, that's one. So it's doing like almost daily trades. Yeah, even sideways is not staying that long in trades. It's quite fast usually. 30-30. Let's check SUP percentage. Yeah. And with these settings, it made in the past 212 days, 90% profit, which is like without leverage 0.43. That is really, really good. That's a really good value. If we put this in the calculator, let me check. How much is it within 50x, 10x? Let's say 120, starting with 647. Then we get a profit leverage 1070% in 212 days. That's a lot. Yeah, that's unrealistic. No, wait, 200 days, 202. It is actually. Yeah. Yeah, but I would not calculate with 5.3%. It's unrealistic per day. We have around 3, roughly 3.6. I don't know. A bit better than the profit hunt, that the other strategy we use for CKB. So if we put in 600 and let's say 200 days. So assuming we starting with a start balance of 675 capital. No, sorry, it was 334, as I said. Putting 3.6 per day, running duration 200 days, and don't taking out capital yeah, 300,000, 394,000. Let's see. I'm always doing like this little steps, so checking after 30 days, and then I check my bots, okay, how they're doing. Let's say, for example, this both leverage bots I have currently, they made 18 deals. Yeah, so for example, this Swift bot, 18 deals, started, doesn't matter basically, but 18 deals. Is this a configuration? Yes, it's the same configuration. And then I started something with 78 or something is the normal usage. Or 79.20. Yeah, then after 30 days it would be, no, sorry, I said 18, right? So, and I know where roughly I am. I am on 150. So I'm perfectly in the range where I should be after 18 days. So this means my strategy is making an average 3.6% per day. Yeah. And my next step is, let's see on 30 days, because then we need to be on 228. And this is my next target on 12 trades later. So days is here daily trading. It's like trades for us. And I need, let's say, also, I think 200 to say goodbye. Yeah, that's okay. At first step. Okay. Yeah, and if you like, you can also set up by yourself. So I've shown you the settings to correct it. But if you want, we can watch together over. I think it should be not more than 10-15 minutes or something. I'll probably close this. So therefore, it's starting my workspace. Auch eingeladen. Closes. So, any questions? Any else questions for now? Anything else? Otherwise, I think we slowly come to an end. Oh, Rose. Nice. Nice. Just from the last 2-3 hours, 10%. Respect. Rose is always a coin which is impressive. This is just hitting like its last all-time high. It would be from here 600%. This is also a coin. Yes, this has super potential. I'm using for my trading bots. Yeah, compounded. So it's making almost every day profits. It's a really nice coin. Oh, you also know that. Yeah, know this coin. Yeah, we can quickly walk through some coins I'm trading. Here's a list, yeah, from the coins I like to trade. CKB, of course, you know, with AAVE, which is really, really nice, went up the last time, yeah, so if I scroll out, it always went sideways. So, of course, we had in March like this big pump up, yeah, then it went down, but really, really fast. It has like this pumps back up, and now it's even above the April and the March. Yeah, this is really crazy. And the potential from here, it's just 200 around, but yeah, it's really, really stable. Not breaking below this line anymore, which we had in 23. So this is a nice coin I like to trade because it's really pushing upwards. And then I really like TIA. This has also a really good volatility. Let me check. Of course, everything, no financial advice. TIA, here it is. yeah, it had a crazy run up in 2024. It's not that old. It's from the last year, November. And then it went like crazy when it started from November up to 800%. And now, yeah, it broke down as everything in March and so on. And it's now, yeah, since August going sideways, a bit down, but back up. It's always a really nice project also behind. Make your own research. But I like the volatility if you go down to the 15 minutes or something. Yeah, you always see like how the big movements are, which is really good for bot trading. Near, which is really common and older project. Vanry I like, Solana, ICP, AVAX, ARP. ARP is quite new network. Also quite good coin because it went up, I think, as hell. Oh, nice. Look at this candle here. Crazy. When was it? In March. Okay, 1000% up. Hell. And then drop down. I'm really curious always about these situations. I want to go on the 15 minutes time frame. When was it? When did it start? 23 of March. And then I want to see what's happening with my strategies at this case, if they have survived it or not. Let's check. It's something I'm always curious. If you see a candle like this is crazy, I don't think it would survive. But let's check it out. I hope we can see it actually. Oh no. Oh. Can we? No, sadly not. But if we go on 30 minutes time frame, let's check. It should be here. April. January. Yeah, it's not a big candle, isn't it? Okay, go back to daily. But it was here on the 23 of March. Here. It's not showing, actually. Sad. Eh? It's not showing it. Okay. Ah. Well, okay. But yeah, this is also a really, really nice way. Really nice coin. Let's just check. Okay, here it would even stay in a trade. Holy moly, okay. This coin went really, really downwards. Yeah, this is not the strategy I use for this coin, luckily. But this is a hard way going down. How many percentages is this from here to here? 61. Okay. But it's really close here, actually. So, yeah. Okay, another coin. What do we have else? ARP, Rose, as we're talking about Bitcoin. So this is mainly the coins I like to use. As well. Yeah, lever. It's also a coin which is something with leverage. It has really strong movements normally. Really good to trade for the bots as well. Yeah, you can also keep in mind. Okay. Yeah, that's just a selection of the bots. I think that should it be for today. So yeah, thank you very much for attending, for watching. if there are no any else questions or anyone has a question, also please join the Discord. Just go to our website, Munich-Ai.com. You will find the link here to Discord. Also, if you want to set up your first trading bot, you can either click here, my first trading bot, of course, or you join the Elite Traders Club where you get all the indicators, strategies, and so on. And I will also help you with a session on that. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. We keep in touch. Yeah, as I said, like the strategies and indicators you can use if you have them in the Elite Traders Club, like also the signals I was showing you, they are quite good to use. A Profit Hunter, you can connect it directly. And I will also make next time a video about this grid bot. How's it going for me? I will set it up in the short term and we'll let you know the stats. Okay, then have a great evening. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye at all. I put a bye in the chat. Bye. So see you soon and have a good night. Bye bye.
Remember we used to run to the corner